power rule. Let's say you're given this integral function x to the power 5 dx. So to integrate this is going to be x to the power 5 plus 1. So over whatever you do with the power, you bring it down as a denominator plus 1, because integration, what it does is to increase the power of x by 1. So when you simplify this number, you're going to have x raised to the power 6 over 6, so plus c. So this will be our final answer. Note that for indefinite integration, whenever you get an answer, you add this constant plus c to it. So that's the rule of indefinite integration. Add a constant to it, so your answers given this integral function 1 over x dx, and ask to integrate it. So I'm going to give you ln x plus c. Whenever you are dealing with integration that is fractional, so you begin with ln to express the answer. So that is for this example. Let's have another similar example before we go to the next rule. I'm giving this integral function 1 over x plus 1 dx, and you have to integrate it. So the answer will be ln x plus 1 plus c. So that's it for the reciprocal rule. So let's say you're given this integral function exponential to the power of x dx, and has to integrate it. So it's going to give us it will still give us exponential to the power x plus c. So that will be the answer. Whenever you are dealing with exponential does not change. So when you integrate exponential, it will still give you the same value. So that's it for exponential. Let's have some examples more on exponential rule. Let's say you're giving this integral function exponential dx, and has to integrate it. So it's going to give us 10 exponential x plus c. That will be the answer. Let's see one more example. Let's say you're giving this exponential, this function 3 exponential x power x plus 2. Okay, in bracket dx. It has to integrate this. When you integrate it, will give you 3 exponential power x plus 2x plus c. So that will be the answer. Now note that whenever you integrate a constant, you add x to it. A constant is a number that does not have a variable attached to it. For instance, any number, or any number, be it 2, be it 3, 4, 5, any number at all that does not have a variable attached to it. Let's say you're given this function integral of cos x dx, and it has to integrate it. So whenever you integrate cos, we're going to have sine. So it will give us sine x plus c. Okay, let's say another example. You're giving this problem sec square x dx. It has to integrate this function. So when you integrate sec square x, you're going to have tan x plus c. Okay, let's say you're giving this problem integral of 6 sine x. So what is it going to give you? So when you integrate this, okay, dx, when you integrate this, you're going to have minus 6 cos x plus c, because when you integrate sine, you get minus cos. Okay, so let's look at this example. Let's say you're giving this integral of 9 cos x dx. So it has to integrate this. So what is it going to give you? First, it's going to give us 9 sine x plus c. Okay, so this is basically rules of integration at the basic level. We looked at the power rule, the reciprocal rule, the exponential and the trigonometry rule. And with this, we are come to the end of the class. Hope you learned something interesting.